Formax presents the Atlas C350 automatic pile feeding creaser and folder. When durability, power, and accuracy matter, the Atlas C350 auto feed creaser folder meets the quality demands of high-volume digital finishing. In today's print world, on-demand digital printing has become the standard for fast turnaround and short-run jobs. Finishing the piece properly for a professional, high-quality look is a key part of the process. When it comes to folding digitally printed pieces, creasing is essential to avoid cracking and tearing on the folded edges. As shown here, without creasing, the folded piece is cracked and looks of poor quality, while the creased piece looks clean and professional. Accuracy, power, durability, and ease of use separate this auto-feeding creaser folder from all the rest. The Atlas C350 features a powerful air suction pile feeder with leading-edge tracking registration and multiple sensors for accurate feeding of paperweights up to 400 GSM. Automatic adjustments and a state-of-the-art intuitive 7-inch color touchscreen ensure quick and easy setup. Let's take a closer look at how the C350 creaser folder works. To begin, load the printed pieces onto the feeder and set the feeding guides. The feed table extension comes standard and can be pulled out to accommodate sheets up to 15 inches wide by 51 inches long. With the sheets in position, it's time to enter the creasing configuration. The Atlas C350 is pre-programmed with 9 popular crease types, along with settings for perfect bound book covers. In addition, users can program and save an unlimited number of custom jobs. Using the color touchscreen control panel, select the crease and/or fold type and paper size. The C350 will adjust the crease settings automatically. With the settings entered, press Start. Sheets are processed consistently at speeds up to 7,500 per hour. Multiple sensors monitor the infeed for variations and make adjustments on the fly for enhanced performance and accuracy. Switching between jobs is easy. Simply select the new crease and/or fold type and press Enter. The C350's innovative dual creasing perforating modules make quick work of various applications in a single pass. The C350 can be set to crease and fold, crease only, perforate only, or cross-perforate and crease in one pass. To provide accurate, seamless creasing and folding, the C350 utilizes a dynamic creasing matrix and patented flying knife folding technology designed to prevent marks and scratches on digitally printed media. The action of the dynamic creasing matrix allows paper to flow into the folding system, maintaining speed and accuracy regardless of the number of creases. You'll notice that the paper is creased and folded without ever stopping. The heavy-duty creasing matrix utilizes a channel and anvil to create the crease. This embosses the printed sheet and eliminates cracking of the folded edge, providing a clean, professional piece. In addition, the creasing angle and pressure can be adjusted to accommodate different paper weights and types. The C350 features dual quick-release creasing perforating modules that allow for the option of up and down creasing or creasing and cross-perforating in a single pass. The quick-release system requires no tools, which allows creasing and perforating matrices to be changed in seconds. Simply push down and pull to release the top cover. Remove the matrix. Rotate or replace the matrix. Then reinstall the top cover. The C350 has a 2-in-1 outfeed configuration with a fully automatic belt stacker for folded sheets and a catch tray capable of stacking creased sheets up to 35 inches long. With both outfeed options available at all times, users can easily switch between crease and fold jobs right from the control panel with no need to reconfigure the machine. A rotary perforation kit is standard equipment which allows for creasing, perforating, and folding in a single pass. The optional crease perforating blade kit can be used in combination with the rotary perforator to create brochures or coupons with tear-offs. The Formax Atlas C350 is the most versatile and efficient creaser folder on the market with the power, durability, accuracy, and easy setup and operation essential for today's digital print finishing.